Welcome back. Today on Real Reviews, we are here with a vacuum cleaner review. Now this vacuum was actually sent to us by GleeU, so thank you guys for that. This is the GleeU GEV1 cordless vacuum cleaner. Let's go ahead and take it out of the box and see what we have. Okay, here we go. So this is what we have inside the box here. We have a nice little GleeU manual. And then we have, I don't even know what this is. Let's get everything out and then we'll take a look at everything. Okay, so this is everything that comes in the package here. We have the actual vacuum right here. We have our wand. We have a crevice tool. We have a 2-in-1 multifunction with the brush and a small little crevice cleaner here. We have a little brush, probably for cleaning off the head, maybe cleaning underneath here, just sweeping it out a bit. And here is actually the head of it. You can see it kind of has like a little V shape or a pyramidal shape there. It kind of goes up where it actually has little brushes. Pretty cool. This all feels pretty light. See what it says here, LED headlights. We have some LED headlights on it. And then we have our manual. We have our wall hanger right here with a couple of anchors and some screws to hang that up on the wall. We have our adapter, and I believe these are some HEPA filters. So now, first off, let's just take a look at this. So it is a little bit bigger kind of than I thought it was going to be, but it's really not that bad. And compared to a full-size vacuum, this is nothing. It doesn't barely weigh anything either. So you can see back here, you have a power button. You actually have your function button. And I believe this is a carpet and hard floor. And then you have a battery indicator right here, which shows the battery level. So if we turn it on, let's see what happens. Oh, there we go. Not even that loud. So right there, that looks like that's hard floor. Change this. That's carpet. So on hard floor, it's a little bit less than on carpet. A lot of air blowing out of that. Some good suction. So as you saw when you have it on, as you can see, the battery indicator is illuminated there. And now if you press this button, it just goes back and forth between the two modes. You actually have to press power in order to turn it off. So that's pretty neat. That's pretty nice. And then right here, you have the dust cup. You can press this little button right here. See how it goes. I guess it's this side. Press a little button. Dust cup opens up. Can you take any of this out? Don't know if any of that is removable. It looks like it probably isn't. So none of this comes out, or does it? Oh yeah, it does. It comes out. Oh, and there's actually another filter in here. So this kind of just like twists out. And here is another filter right here inside of it. So I guess the way you put these filters in is going to be, the little red piece facing out just like that. You just put it in there nice and firmly. And inside of here, I guess this is I think they say this is like a cyclonic action, the way that this is set up. So basically just get this piece, you get it inside the hole here. Maybe you can see this. Kind of get it, you just put it right inside the hole here. It has like a little couple of notches there where it grabs onto it. You stick it right in, turn it, and it locks into place. Close your door, and you're done. Right now, as far as the wand, how does this work? Let's see this. There's a little button here. Oh, this is an extendable wand. Wow, look at that. So that extends out. I think they used to have another version of this. It didn't have an extendable wand. The wand was just always out. But this can actually extend, and it locks into place. So it has like these little locking mechanism right here. So you can kind of go to any one of those, and it just locks into place. So you can leave it short like that. You can bring it all the way out and make it its full length. So let's see how this actually goes. So if we take this, looks like this fits in here like this. As you can notice right here, it looks like it's kind of rounded, like oval right here. And right here has the same type of shape. So if we just take it like this, clip it right into place. That's pretty neat. So let's just put that down for right now. You know, if you want to put the head on, that's the same type of thing. You have an oval right here and it just clips into place. Or if you want to use one of the tools, one of the multifunction tools, it's the same type of thing. So you basically just put it in just like that and it will clip into place. So they all work the same way. So it's really easy to put everything together. Let's see how hard it is to take it off. We clip it in, it just comes right off like nothing. So let's see if we can get the head on there. There we go. All right. That's pretty cool. Now, I wanted to let you know something that I did read in the manual as far as the charge time. I believe charge time on this is about 6 hours for a full charge. And it actually gives you on a full charge, it is 18 minutes on carpet and up to 18 minutes on carpet and up to 35 minutes on hard floor. So that's really not too bad. Looks pretty cool. The head kind of swivels. Look how that swivels. That's really nice. You can actually go really low like that. So you want it to go underneath something, this goes right underneath it. You can get on these couches, underneath tables, wherever you might want to vacuum. It's pretty cool. And one other thing before we totally get this thing dirty, if you put the crevice tool on, like this for example, you can actually get up really, really high. Is this fully extended? So that's fully extended. So with the crevice tool on, you get up pretty high. I mean, I can get almost all the way up. I mean, I could get up all the way to the ceiling right here. And it's really light. Like, it's not hurting my arm or anything to hold it up like that. I could probably hold it up like that for a while. So this is really light like that and super convenient. If you want to clean, like you want to clean your couch, you want to clean something that's really, really light. And I really like this right here. I just have to say, I really like this feature right here. We can put it down a little bit smaller, or you can extend it all the way out. So if you didn't want to like get all the way down, because like, for example, if you wanted to take this crevice tool, or not the crevice tool, let's say we took this tool right here. We take this tool right here and we want to clean the couch. So like this one will slide up. Let's see, how hard is this to do? That's a little bit harder to push that out, but just say we wanted to put this tool on here, wanted to clean the couch, but we have to kind of get down and kind of bend into it, and it's kind of a pain to do that. Maybe you don't want to do that, or maybe your back hurts, I don't know, whatever the reason might be. You can actually put this on, and then you take your little tool and clip it on, and now you don't have to do that. Now you can actually clean it from right here. Look at that. That's just way better. So cool, and it's really light. I mean, it doesn't seem to weigh much at all. Let's see what this weighs with the wand. So 3.6 pounds. We put the head on it. We put everything on it. See how much we get. Just shove everything here on top of it. 4 pounds with everything on it. That's like all of the pieces. It's only 4 pounds, so it really doesn't weigh much at all. Just of the vacuum alone, about 12 inches long, about 4.5 inches across. Height is about 8.5 inches. The wand itself at the shortest amount is roughly, 17 3/4. Extended all the way out, we're talking 27 1/4 inches. This is going to be basically your reach, about 44.5 inches to the handle. That's pretty good reach right there, guys. I have to say that just so far from what I'm seeing, I really like it, and that's without vacuuming anything. All right, so now we're going to try something here real quick. We have two different things we could try to vacuum up. We have some spent birdseed, and we also have some cut up construction paper. So let's go ahead, let's try the birdseed first and see how that works. Go ahead and toss it over the carpet here. There we go, nice mess. Luckily we have a lot of vacuums in case this doesn't pick it up, right guys? We're going to choose carpet, let's turn it on. Turn it to carpet and see what happens. Go this way, go straight across it. Wow, it's like it's gone. It picked it right up, listen. There's basically nothing else left. Now, since it is really light, I mean, you could just lift it off the floor like nothing. So you actually have to make an effort to keep it down because it's so incredibly light. There you go. LEDs for you guys. Let's turn that off. Let's try this paper. Toss this paper down here and see what happens. Nice little pile of paper. All right, here we go. And now, before I even vacuum up this paper, let me just mention something here. Every time you turn it on, it automatically starts in hard floor mode. So be sure to notice that and switch it to the appropriate mode that you're going to be using. So like I'm using it on carpet. Now this is low pile, so I mean, I guess it could qualify as hard floor. But if you notice the difference right here, let's turn it on. When we switch it from hard floor to carpet, you're going to notice that the sound ramps up because it's actually giving more power, suction power. Here's hard floor. Switch it to carpet. Ramps up. Let's go ahead and vacuum it. Get down there, let's take a look. And here we go, right over the paper. Not bad. 2 passes, there's no more paper. So it really picked it up well. Let's see everything spinning around in here. Let's turn it on. There we go. We got that cyclonic action. Take a look at that. Look at the way it's just spinning around in there. Has tons of suction. That's really awesome. Just mixing paper up with birdseed. That's what you guys always wanted to do at your house. And all you have to do to empty it, press this button right here. Easy empty. Boom. Everything gone. So now the cool thing about this is that since you can take this out, all you have to do is turn clockwise. And to install it, you're going to turn counterclockwise. So here we're going to take it out clockwise. Now you can take this piece, you can pull the filter out of it, and you could just wash it outside. So all this dust will come right off. Turn this thing counterclockwise, it's locked into place. There we go, nice. All right, let's try something right here. Let's dump this garbage out right here on the floor again. There we go, look at that. It even picked up some dust, check it out. So now we have the little crevice nozzle right here, crevice tool. And we're going to turn it on. Now, I guess you can choose to use hard floor or carpet here. And really, the only difference is going to be how much power it's going to be using. So if you turn it on, now hard floor is going to last a lot longer. You're getting to 35 minutes versus carpet, you're only getting up to 18 minutes. Let's turn it up higher. Actually, let's see how the lower end we could do. See how that works. Wow, still picks it up pretty good. Not bad at all. We're just getting it right up there. Let's switch it up. Wow, that's a lot of suction power. I can tell you right now, I'm going to be using this all the time. Nice. That's very nice. Very, very nice. Nothing falling out. All right, let's go ahead and put the head back on here. It's really easy. Remember, the oval shape goes right into the oval shaped hole. There we go. Let's try it out here. Hard floor. Let's pick up what we didn't get with the crevice tool. And it's all gone. All nicely picked up again. The only thing is that in order to empty it, you do want to actually take off the head like this. You want to take off the head. You want to take off the wand. Makes it much easier. And you can just come over here, press the button. Dump it right into the garbage. There we go. Done. All right, we're going to try another experiment here. Let's take it into the other room. We're going to go ahead and turn this on and see how it does. And now you can see right here how you can get underneath your furniture. I mean, it's so easy, and it's just so light. I mean, it's like you don't even feel like you're vacuuming. I could barely even feel this. I mean, I could do it with one finger. I mean, look at this. It's just really nothing. It's just so super light. It doesn't even feel like I'm using anything. And the thing has a ton of suction. All right, let's try something. Little experiment. Little experiment here, guys. Let's see how much suction this thing has. See if we can find anything underneath this couch here. Look at that. It picked up this whole little doll. Check this out. Boink. I like it. I like this thing. It's really strong. It goes right underneath everything. Look at that. Even underneath here. Super low, right underneath it. This is a really nice stick vacuum. Really nice cordless vacuum here. Battery indicator still going strong. Hasn't even gone down yet. See if we get anything off this carpet. See how it spins. Look at all that stuff in there spinning around. Unbelievable. And we've already used Shark vacuums on this floor. We're going to see how strong this actually is. We have an anemometer here to test wind speed. Let's do it on low, see what we get. This is in miles per hour. So 5.4 miles per hour, that's on low mode or on hard floor mode. Let's try it high speed. Look at that. 6.3, 6.5. Ooh, we got all the way up to 7.1 miles per hour. That's not bad at all. That's pretty good. And we're going to try this tool right here. This is the 2-in-1 multi-function tool. And the reason it's a 2-in-1 because you can use it right here with the brushes, or it does have a little button you can actually push. You can pull it down. It has kind of like another sort of multi-function little, I don't know, lint remover tool there. This is the only piece that I really don't like so much because it is kind of hard to use. This one's kind of hard to pull up and down. Besides that, everything else works perfectly. But I mean, it is definitely usable. Let's go ahead and try it on the couch here. Put it on high speed. You want to clean the couch, clean right here in the crevices. Very nice. You can do it like that. Or you can actually pull this up like that. Clean it out. So that is very cool. I definitely like that. These tools are usable. I really like the crevice tool. The multifunction tool is okay, but it definitely is usable and workable. I like that they have it because some of the new vacuum cleaners, they only come with something like this that has a little like lint remover tool, and they're missing the brush, always missing the brush. This has the brush. I like the brush. I use the brush all the time. So let's go ahead and check out what it looks like if this is charging. Go ahead and plug it in. So here is the adapter right here. Go ahead and plug it into your outlet, and you plug it right in here to the back. Turn the power on. See what it looks like when it's charging. So here it goes. And now it just keeps on going like that until it's finally full 3 bars and it's no longer flashing, and then you know it's charged. Here we go. So battery level during use, 0 to 35%. So it says full battery bars is 70 to 100, 30 to 70 if it's 2, 0 to 35 if it's 1. And obviously, if there's no battery, then it's 0. While charging, you have 0 to 35 is the first one, 30 to 70 is 2, 70 to 100 is 3, still flashing, and then 100% is 3 on with no flashing at all. And it roughly takes about 4 to 6 hours. So it says right here, the vacuum uses a rechargeable 22.2 volt DC lithium battery. We recommend to fully charge before using for the first time. It takes 4 to 6 hours. So there you have it, about 4 to 6 hours of charge time. And that gives you up to 35 minutes on hard floor, up to 18 minutes on carpets. And it's really easy to charge, really easy to use. I mean, this thing is a great little rechargeable vacuum cleaner. I really like it. Just a cordless vacuum cleaner like that. I don't even think I'm going to be using my other vacuums anymore. As long as this thing has battery in it, I'll be using it. Now, this is the other thing I want to show you. This battery is really easy to take out. It has a button just like everything else. And another cool thing about the battery, if you notice, it has your buttons on it. So here's your power button. Here's your mode button. So if you press these a million times, oh, my buttons are broken, I need another piece, just buy a battery. It comes with everything. Charging port, buttons, you name it. And you can charge it out of the vacuum. You put it here to charge. I finished my battery. I need to vacuum some more. Pop in another battery. You're ready to go. So this right here is the GleeU GEV1 cordless vacuum cleaner. I highly recommend it, guys. All right, so for mounting the vacuum, you're just going to choose wherever you want to put it. Make sure you level it so you have your piece straight on the wall. I just drew a little line right here to know where the center of this was, and then you draw your line at the top point, the bottom point. After you have your lines, what you're going to do is you're going to take your anchor. I'm using a different wall anchor than comes in the packet. I like to use these toggler ones. These are really, really good. They're really super strong. So you just go ahead and put this wherever the hole is, like this. So you hammer your togglers in into where the grooves start, and then you're able to just take your screwdriver, screw it into the wall like this. Obviously, don't over tighten. I will put a link in the description to these togglers. I really like using these. Grab your screw, you screw it in. So once you screw your screws down, you can go ahead and put your bracket on a wall like this, just like that, and then you tighten it up. Then you get your unit, you just hang it on the mount, just like that. If you're interested in purchasing this product, I will leave a link in the description. And if you would like to show your support, please be sure to use my links, as anything you purchase does generate a small commission for the channel. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Please be sure to like and subscribe, and don't forget to hit that bell button so you never miss another video on Real Reviews. See you guys next time.